getting hype when I aim up. Elevating that game up. Stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm winning till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watched me elevate.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new LEGO military video. Today we have a Second World War fighter, this time from Germany, the Bf-109. This is my second machine from the Second World War. The previous one was the P-51 Mustang from United States. I think it is a quite good improvement compared to my previous one. Before checking the machine, I would like to remind you that you can find the PDF instructions to build the Bf-109 provided by Kodiak Bricks. And if you are curious to know how to make good PDF instructions using this program, on his channel you can find an awesome tutorial, so check it out, you can find it clicking in the right up corner. And not only that, you can find also the playlist with many more projects like this one, so if you like the Bf-109, check also the others. But now I think we may start with the actual project. As you may notice, as always is in minifigure scale. Here we have our minifigure, our pilot, that of course can sit inside the machine. You can of course open the canopy, so you can do this and open it. And inside we can find some instruments. This one of course you can change with anything you prefer. Here we have the lever, of course we have a seat, and now we can place the minifigure inside, so okay. And this is how it looks like with our minifigure. Of course we can close the canopy now. This creation is quite small, so we do not have so many things to check. In total we have 425 parts with the minifigure, so without it should be around 420 parts. It is not a so big or expensive project. I really like it. One thing I would like to mention before checking all the features. Here I designed the German sign with Lego, but I think it's better to remove this section, place two parts like this, two tiles next to each other, and using stickers. I think the final result would be much better, but it's up to you. However, I think now we can check all the features. Let's start from the front. Here we have the main rotor propeller. We have the main gun here and also other two guns on the sides. Here we have the engine. I tried to make the engine as much similar to the original one as possible. We have many air intakes. We have one here and two more under the wings. Now this one I thought to make this part in black, this way, to represent the intake, but I don't know, I'm not really sure, so here is up to you. I think in yellow is better, but if you make it in black like I did here, maybe it looks much more like an air intake. We have some moving parts. For example, here the tail I was able to make it movable, so as you may notice you can move the tail. It's pretty nice, I really like it. And also here the propeller of course can rotate, so it's a little difficult to select the propeller in this position. So first I think we can close the landing gear, because yes, this one has closing landing gear. I left some empty space here, just like the original plane actually, so this way you can close the landing gear inside it. So this is how it looks like with the landing gear closed, one here, and of course you can do the same also the other side as well. Okay, also this one can be moved a little, not so much, so the maximum movement is this one. Perfect. Okay, now we can continue. So of course, as we were trying to check before, the propeller can rotate. Okay, so as you may notice it can rotate. I don't know, we want to keep it this way so we can see our pilot from here. And for the moving parts, that's all. I would like to show you also the bottom. I think it's quite detailed as well, even if usually this section is not so visible, so it's not so important. I tried to add more details as possible, like as I said before, the air intakes here, another intake here. Also here I tried to add these things here, so I tried to add more details as possible, like the lights. For example, we have a green light for the right and a red light for the left. And another thing you may add if you want, here in the program is of course not possible, but in real life yes. Usually there is a wire or a rope that connects this one to the tail. Of course, if you want, you can do it in real life, so you can insert a rope wire from here to here. So you disconnect, place the rope, reconnect, and you also have a wire that connects these two sections. And for today that's all. I think I don't have anything else to show. I hope you liked the project. If yes, remember to leave a like. I would like to remind you that you asked for this project in the comments. If you want another project, remember to leave a comment and let me know what you want to see next. If I find many times the same machine request, of course will be the next one. So just because in the previous videos you asked so much for the Bf-109, here it is. I hope you are happy now. If you want something else, just ask. Maybe your machine is the lucky one and will be the next project. And now that's really all. See you again in the next video. Bye!